This video we are going to discuss how to explore a dataset using Python, working with data. So for that I have taken the Spyder IDE. Even you can work it with your familiar IDE. Jupyter Notebooks also work fine for this program. The first step that is required to run this program is the dataset. So I have taken the COVID_data CSV file. It has many columns. So now a first step in your program is to import the library. So import pandas as PD. Now we have to import the data set. For that, pandas has a data structure called data frame. So in a single variable, the entire data set can be imported. So I take the data frame name as data equal to pd.read_csv and the data set name COVID_data.csv. Now when you run this program, let's run this program. So when you run this program, it gives you the output. Now let's see what is there in the data set. Here you see that there are many number of rows and columns, 1085 rows and 27 columns. You can also extract specific column from the data set using the command useCalls. Okay, useCalls. Just give the field that is required, country, comma, and I need the gender, then I need the age. So let's save the program and run one more time, and it is run. Now let us see what is there in the data set. Yes, the data set has 1085 rows and 3 columns in it, as we have extracted country, gender and age. Now here we are going to see about 4 commands. The first command is how to extract the top rows from the data set. For that, we are going to use data.head. So data.head by default will extract the top 5 rows from the data set. So I want top 10 rows. In that case, I'll use data.head of 10. So this will extract the top 10 rows from the data set. And now I want the bottom data rows of the data set. For that, the command that is used is data.tail. So here it extracts the bottom 5 rows from the data set. So you can also extract n number of rows from the bottom. Here I extract the bottom 10 rows using data.tail of 10. So the one more command that used is data.info. So this gives you a complete information about the data set. Here it says that there are 3 columns with 1085 non-null objects and 902 non-null objects, and the last one is then float 64 object. So all these gives you information about the data set. Similarly, statistical information about the data set, a short statistical information about the data set, the integer columns of the data set can be understood by describe command. Describe command. So numerical columns will return its own statistics, that is count, mean, standard deviation, minimum value, maximum value. So in this lecture we discuss about 4 commands: data.head, data.tail, then data.info and data.describe.